Imagine two defendants walk into a courtroom. Each has the same package of evidence. The first starts presenting his case in a very random, chaotic, hodgepodge manner. No order, no sequencing of evidence. The second is very methodical. They make their case, they present their theory, and then it's immediately supported by evidence, by supporting documents, and by medical opinions. So which of these do you think the jury is going to be most informed and be able to make the best decision? That is obvious. It's very similar when you file your claim with the VA. So welcome back. My name is Mike. I'm a 28-year Army veteran who also served as a County Veteran Service Officer for several years. So today we're going to talk about how to organize your completed claim to submit to the VA. You spend a lot of time and effort in putting that together, collecting evidence, filling out statements, lay statements, and other documents. We want you to spend the appropriate amount of time in presenting this and organizing it in the best manner possible to present it to the VA. Note, as before, this is not legal advice. It's just me sharing my experience as a previous County Veteran Service Officer. So let's get started. One, the very first document you want to submit is VA Form 21-526EZ. That is the VA's application for your disability benefits. It's a very simple document, and we'll go over it in detail in the next video. It basically provides who you are, background in your military service, and what disabilities you're actually making a claim for. Second, if the VA doesn't already have it, is your DD214. This is your proof of eligibility to apply for VA disability. As we said in previous videos, this is the first leg of the stool, eligibility, that shows the VA that you are eligible to apply for this benefit. Note, there's a period of time when the Army would issue different versions to service members that did not have the characterization of service. That section was omitted. Ensure that the DD214 that you're submitting to the VA has your characterization of service, your characterization of discharge. Next, document number 3 is the VA Form 21-4138. Now, we covered this in a previous video, but there's a couple of factors that I'd like to cover again. One, in my opinion, next to your medical records, this is the most powerful document in your file. It gives you the opportunity to articulate to the VA, to that rating specialist, of how A caused B. It serves two purposes. One, as a roadmap, not for you, but for the VA. It guides them through the documents that you have submitted in a very methodical manner that will show how your service contributed to your current medically verifiable disability. It also serves as a table of contents. Most claims will have several different documents, and many of those documents will have several pages, like your service treatment records. So it serves as a table of contents for the VA to understand what documents you have actually submitted to support your case. Next, and the fourth step, is the actual organization of the evidence for the disability claim. I always recommend that the first set of evidence that a veteran wants to present is the evidence proving that you have a current and medically verifiable diagnosis, whether it be your VA records, whether it be your medical test, whatever documents you have that show that your disability is medically verifiable should be first. That corresponds with the second leg of the stool. Then from there, is the evidence to present for the third leg of the stool, proving the nexus, the bridge of where A actually caused B. Now I'm putting in the comments and also in the video description a sample outline of how I would recommend for the veterans that I saw to organize their actual claim and to actually use tabs or label it as an annex. And so first is the evidence of the disability, and then the evidence of the service connectivity. One, also ensure that this is follows the sequence as you outline in your 4138. 5, the final stage is Q&A. Ensure that you go through every document, make sure that they're all there, and especially the forms from the VA, make sure that they are signed and that they are dated. If they are not, the VA will very likely kick the claim back for your actual signature and date. So make sure you do a very good quality assurance that all the documents that you want to present are actually in that claim. Note on how to file. There are a couple ways to file a claim. If you have an account with the VA and you're computer savvy, you can do it online. There are a lot of benefits there. It's the immediate notification or confirmation that you've actually submitted your file. On the downside is quite a bit of effort of scanning in, uploading, and then ensuring the documents actually get transmitted. As a county veteran service officer, and the veterans that I dealt with mostly, they were not computer savvy. And practically without exception, we always mailed in a copy. So we put in the tabs, we package it together, and we mailed it to the actual VA. And myself, as a county VSO, would normally be the one that would actually mail the package in for them. Note for both, ensure you keep a copy of all the documents that you submit to the VA. I would send copies, not originals, when you send your actual package, and keep the originals in case you need to submit those at a later date for whatever reason. So in summary, presentation makes a difference. Organized thoughts leads to an organized presentation. An organized presentation makes for a more clear and concise presentation of your case. Again, thank you for your time. Thank you for your service. If you have any comments or if you have any questions or if there's any other topics you'd like me to cover, please leave those in the comments below.